Okay guys, so today I'm going to be going to check on the Nissan in the storage unit. Basically just going to start it up, make sure it still starts, because I did not disconnect the battery like I probably should have. The reason I didn't do that is because I actually have a brand new battery I'm going to put in next year. So I left the battery connected. So I'm going to go out there, start it up, just let it run just for a little bit. Hopefully it starts, we'll find out. It's been in storage for about a month, probably almost a month, so we'll see if it still starts. And I'm just going to take you guys along with for the short little ride here. Shouldn't take too long. And yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when I get to the storage unit. Okay you guys, so we're just pulling into the storage unit now. There's quite a bit of snow actually. There's not too much on the roads, but a lot of snow on the grass and stuff right now. And this car does not handle very well in the snow with all-season tires on. Okay, now it's time to see if the Mustang will, or not the Mustang. Okay, now it's time to see if the Nissan will start. We're about to find out here. I'm just gonna turn around real quick without hitting anything, hopefully. Yeah, it's not too bad out today. It's about 32 degrees, which isn't too cold. A little chilly. Okay, you guys, so now it's time to open up the storage unit. Slide that. She is. Not too dirty, surprisingly, but it helps I got that ceramic coating. As you can see, you've got the motorcycle back here. The bike's been in here for probably about 2 months now. The Nissan's only been in here about a month. I took it out of storage once or twice to take it around and cruise because it was still nice out. Actually, it was more like 5 or 6 times I took it out of storage because it was still nice and I wanted to drive it as much as I could before they put salt down. As soon as they put salt down, I won't be taking it out anymore. Looking pretty good still. So now we'll see if it will start. Okay you guys, the moment of truth. Let's see if it'll start. Okay you guys, so the car's been running for probably almost 30 minutes now. Running good. The wrap still looks like it's holding up. Sometimes when it's super cold like this, the wrap will shrink, and then when it gets warm, it'll expand again. But as of right now, looks like it's still holding up pretty good. The only part that I want to get redone next year is probably the front bumper, because as you can see, right there, just a little bit, but then it's got a lot of things and nicks on it, which you probably can't see. There's the license plate that I hate to have on the front bumper like that, but after getting pulled over, I have to have it on. So I'm gonna go in the car now, shut it off, and then I'll be heading out.